Welcome to Stay Alert. Imagine suffering from a medical condition and being treated like a criminal. That's exactly what happened to a passenger on a United Airlines flight. He was dragged out of the toilet, handcuffed and detained. Let's break down his shocking case. On January 28, 2025, a passenger was traveling on a United Airlines flight from Tulum, Mexico to Houston. During the flight, he suffered from severe constipation and needed extra time in the restroom. He spent over 30 minutes in the bathroom, repeatedly telling the crew that he had a medical issue, but instead of understanding his condition, a furious pilot forcefully opened the door and dragged him out in front of everyone. If this wasn't bad enough, the crew handcuffed him inside the plane like a criminal. When the flight landed in Houston, Homeland Security officers took over. They kept him and his friend in handcuffs and locked them in separate cells. He missed his connecting flight to New York and was treated like a suspected instead of a passenger with a medical issue. The passenger, who is an Orthodox Jew, claims that the pilot mocked his religion during the incident. Because of this, he has now filed a lawsuit against United Airlines, accusing them of discrimination of mistreatment. After all this humiliation, United Airlines only arranged a new ticket for him but refused to cover his hotel expenses. He had to pay for his own stay. United Airlines has not issued any official statement on the matter yet. Now the big question, will United Airlines face a heavy fine for this? What do you think? Tell me in comments. Thank you for watching.